Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn off text boundaries in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to turn off text boundaries in this document. Click the document and go to the design menu. Then click the page border option and click the fourth side to remove the border. Then click OK. And we can see we turn off text boundaries in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.